Hi, my name is Dennis Grootva and I welcome you to this video. I want to thank you for two things. I want to tell you two things and I want to challenge you with one thing. First thing I want to thank you is for sending me emails and videos. Thank you very much. I didn't know how we get connected. Maybe I click on a video of you or maybe you click on a video of me. My videos are more in Dutch, but thank you very much. Second thing I want to thank you is for your contribution in my life. Your motivation, your inspiration, and everything that you do to encourage people. Thank you for these free emails and videos because they really help people and they really help me. Thank you very much. First thing I want to tell you is what I am doing. What I am doing is create 30 seconds to 5-minute videos and place ads on them. Second thing I want to tell you is if you want to place your ads on my videos, then I can do that for you. I can place your ads on my videos for $50 for 52 videos. Last thing I want to challenge you is to send me a hard copy of that book called Think and Grow Rich from Napoleon Hill. I have that audio, I listen to it, but I don't have a hard copy. The challenge is if you send me a hard copy of that book, Think and Grow Rich from Napoleon Hill, I will send you a 5-minute video to show you how you can be in debt and create wealth. It's possible. If I can do it, you can do it. Right now, I don't have to do it. Maybe in your situation, you don't have to do it anymore. But still, I can teach you how to be in debt and create wealth. If I can do it, you can do it, and maybe you can teach someone to do it. Thank you for listening to my videos, and let's stay in touch until next video. Thank you. Bye.